Good day everyone, my name is Jonathan Rubea and I'm taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, and I'm sure to learn in entrepreneurial of mine. Throughout weeks 1 to 6 entrepreneurship, I realized that entrepreneurship is not just about starting a business but also about developing the right mindset and values. In week 1, I learned the difference between an entrepreneurial mindset and an employee mindset. This made me reflect on how important is it to be proactive, creative, and willing to take initiative instead of just waiting for instruction. I understood that successful entrepreneurs are not only skilled but also determined and open to taking risks. In week 2, I discovered how important creativity and innovation are in generating business ideas. The technique like brainstorming and mind mapping help me see that even simple ideas can turn into something meaningful if developed properly. Then in week 3, I learned how to evaluate those ideas using SWOT analysis. This made me realize that not all ideas will succeed, and it's important to carefully analyze strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats before starting a business. Week 4 taught me that risk is always part of entrepreneurship. At first, I thought taking risks was dangerous, but I learned that risk can be managed through proper decision making and planning. In week 5, I understood the importance of setting smart goals. This helped me see that having clear to and realistic goals make it easier to achieve success whether in business or in personal life. Finally, in week 6, I learned about entrepreneurial ethics and the importance of doing what is right. I realized that being successful is not just about earning money, but also about being responsible and making ethical decisions. Overall, this lesson helped me understand that entrepreneurship requires not only skill and knowledge but also discipline, creativity, and strong values. Thank you.